In the rolling hills of Gusiland, where the sound of chirping birds and rustling leaves created a serene atmosphere, lived a renowned healer named Abagusii. He was highly respected in the Abagusii community for his vast knowledge of medicinal herbs and surgical techniques passed down through generations. Abagusii had learned from his father and grandfather, both skilled practitioners in the art of healing, and he was known for his ability to treat the most challenging ailments. One day, a young boy named Omwando, who lived in a neighboring village, fell from a tree while playing. He hit his head hard against a rock, causing severe swelling and unconsciousness. The villagers, alarmed by his condition, rushed to seek help from Abagusii, believing that only he could save the boy. Upon arriving at the scene, Abagusii carefully examined Omwando. He noticed the boy's forehead was swollen, indicating that pressure was building inside his skull. The elders gathered around, expressing their fears and anxieties. Abagusii, however, remained calm. He explained that they had to perform a procedure called Abagusii, the act of creating an opening in the skull to relieve the pressure. The villagers knew that such a procedure was risky and could lead to death if not done correctly. But Abagusii was confident. He reassured them, explaining that the ancestors had entrusted him with this knowledge, and with their guidance he would succeed. The village elders gathered around to witness the surgery, while the women prepared a space for the procedure. They made a comfortable bed of leaves and herbs to cushion Omwando and prevent further injury. Abagusii instructed them to gather specific herbs, Ibaranga, a local plant known for its antiseptic properties, and Abagusii, a calming herb, to prepare a poultice for the young boy's head. As the villagers held their breath, Abagusii began the procedure. He used a sharpened stone, a traditional tool passed down through generations, to make a small incision on the boy's forehead. He skillfully removed a small circular piece of bone, allowing the pressure to escape. The villagers watched in awe, some whispering prayers for the boy's recovery. Once the opening was made, Abagusii gently cleaned the area with the poultice and instructed the villagers to keep the wound covered with fresh leaves to protect it from infection. He emphasized the importance of rest and nourishment for Omwando's recovery. As the sun began to set, Abagusii completed the procedure, placing the boy on a bed of herbs to aid in his healing. In the following days, the village came together to support Omwando. The women prepared nutritious meals, while the men gathered herbs and provided assistance to the family. The community's care and love enveloped the boy, creating a healing environment that complemented Abagusii's surgical intervention. As time passed, Omwando slowly regained consciousness. His eyes fluttered open, and he looked around at the concerned faces of his family and friends. The villagers erupted in joy, praising Abagusii for his skill and the community's unwavering support. Omwando's recovery became a symbol of hope and resilience within the Abagusii community. He often recounted his experience, emphasizing the importance of community and traditional medicine. The elders decided to honor Abagusii by organizing a celebration where they shared stories, danced, and feasted together. Abagusii continued to practice his craft, teaching the next generation about the importance of balance between traditional medicine and the spiritual world. He believed that healing went beyond the physical. It required connection, respect, and understanding of the body and the spirit. Through this story of Omwando and Abagusii, the Abagusii community reaffirmed their commitment to traditional healing practices, preserving the knowledge of their ancestors while embracing the power of community. They understood that true healing came not just from the hands of a skilled surgeon, but from the collective support and love of a united people. This tale reflects the Abagusii's deep connection to their traditional healing practices and their belief in the importance of community in the healing process.